Welcome to my cozy garden kitchen. Today I want to share a special menu featuring 4 incredibly healing autumn recipes and a brilliant zero-waste kitchen hack. Sometimes we eat too much heavy takeout and processed food, and our bodies crave something deeply nourishing. These simple garden-to-table dishes are exactly what you need to reset your gut and feel absolutely amazing this season. We will start with a unique recipe that transforms humble eggs into a comforting, clean protein masterpiece. We are not using oil, and we are not frying. We are going to cook these eggs in pure water. This technique is incredibly simple and effortless. It requires absolutely no advanced skills. The result is a light and refreshing dish that is perfect for the whole family. First, grab a large, clean mixing bowl. Crack 6 fresh pasture-raised eggs into the bowl. You do not need anything fancy. Standard organic eggs work beautifully here. Next, add a handful of freshly chopped garden chives. This adds a beautiful pop of green and provides essential antioxidants to the dish. For seasoning, we are keeping things very minimalist. Add just a pinch of fine sea salt to give the eggs a savory foundation. Then sprinkle in a dash of white pepper. This neutralizes any overly eggy smell and creates a warm, subtle flavor profile. Take your time and whisk this mixture thoroughly. You want the yolks and whites completely blended together. This ensures a perfectly uniform and fluffy texture. Set the bowl aside while we prepare our pan. Grab a standard skillet from your cabinet. Pour in exactly the same volume of water as your egg mixture. This 1-to-1 ratio is the secret to tender eggs. So make sure you measure carefully. Turn your stove to high heat and bring the water to a complete boil. You want to see large rolling bubbles breaking the surface of the water. Cooking the eggs in vigorously boiling water helps them set instantly without falling apart. Now, please pay close attention to this next crucial step. Once you pour the egg mixture into the pan, do not touch or stir it right away. Stirring too early will turn it into a cloudy mess and ruin that beautiful, delicate texture. Immediately drop the heat down to medium-low. Cover the skillet and let it gently simmer for 3 minutes. The gentle heat will slowly cook the eggs, allowing them to naturally firm up. When the timer goes off, remove the lid to reveal the magic. You will see a gorgeous solid layer of cooked egg, looking incredibly pale and pristine. Use your spatula to gently push the edges, breaking it into bite-sized savory clouds. Slide it right onto your serving plate. There is zero added fat here, just the pure wholesome taste of the ingredients. The texture is as soft and creamy as fresh ricotta cheese. It melts in your mouth and feels so hydrating. It is incredibly soothing and never feels heavy on the stomach. Whenever you need a break from rich foods, or you are looking for a digestive reset, this water-fried egg dish is your best friend. It is packed with bioavailable nutrients, low in calories, and supports gut health, a truly guilt-free comfort meal. That was our first healing recipe for today. Now let us transition to something more robust. We are going to make a savory autumn lunch. Using fresh garden peppers, it is fully plant-based and loaded with incredible flavor. Let us grab our ingredients and head to the cutting board. You are going to absolutely love this one, because it completely transforms a simple vegetable. Let us get started right now.